Alright, here I'm on the side of 95. I was just driving and the truck just stopped pulling altogether. I put the pedal on the floor. RPMs dropped to nothing. I luckily coasted over to the side here and just shut off when I stopped. Now I'm starting it again, and she's just stuttering. The whole truck's shaking. It's barely at 500 RPM. Giving it gas. Gas pedal's in the floor, and it ain't moving off 600. Then it jumps up when I let it off, and there it goes, stalled out. And it's just shaking the whole truck, 500 RPM. I'm giving it gas over and over again, up and down, and it ain't doing nothing.